Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix error code 43 if your USB device not recognized. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type device manager. Open it. You want to go to universal serial bus controller. Expand this and click on universal serial bus controller. Right click on it and scan for hardware changes. And now want to update the USB root hub. These three of these you want to update driver, search for automatically for driver, and this is Windows has determined that the best driver for this device is already installed. There may be better device driver on Windows Update or device manufacturer's website, and that's go and download it. Search for updated driver, Windows driver. Want to update Windows up to date. Want to install it, and you want to update driver of these also, and I want to do it update driver and browse my computer for driver, and let me pick from a list of drivers. Want to select the first of these and click next. Windows has finished installing the driver for this device. Is closed guys. Mostly the problem is you want to update the Windows update over here. It will help you to update the driver also. That's it for today's video guys. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial will definitely help for you guys. Thank you.